Is Influenster really a great way to get free stuff online, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I have joined to test this platform, and in this Influenster's review I'll give you an inside look, show both the pros and the cons so you can easily decide if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over the basics of what Influenster is and who can join before we go more into how you potentially can get free stuff from using it. And Influencer is a site that has a lot of reviews of all kind of products. So it can also be useful to get feedback about different products you are considering to buy. That's one option you can use it. You can also write your own reviews, and that is a part of, if you want to use it, that is definitely something you should consider. So you can find a lot of information about all kinds of different products, and that is one of the main functions. But you can also, as a reviewer or as a participant or member of Influenster, potentially get free products. And some of the products are even really great products, but more about that later. Let's first talk about who can join, because they do not say on the website which countries you can join from. But from what I have been able to find out is that if you go to the website and it's not available in your country, then you will just simply be blocked. So if you can access the website, then you should be able to join and potentially also be able to get free stuff from it. And you can join it on the website itself, and you can also use the app. It is available for both iOS devices and for Android devices. And if you want to get free stuff, then you do need the app also, which I will explain more about once we are inside Influenster. I have now logged into Influenster, and then you have a profile and you need to fill that out, and you will do this while also you can do it when you are signing up during the sign up process, and then you can fill out some more options when you are inside your platform, and you can add a profile photo and write a bio. And if you want to have a chance to get free stuff, it's good to take the time to fill out all this information. They also have this what they call snaps, and here you need to fill out different small surveys more or less about your profile, about your background, your interest, and this will be also used to potentially choose if you can get free products through what they call a voxbox. But overall, if you want to join it, then it will take a little bit of time to fill out your profile and keep it updated. These snaps will regularly become available. You will see a notification when there's some things you need to fill out. So that sense, it can take a little bit of effort. But let's then talk about the products you can potentially get for free as a member. What type of products and how do you even get it, so you can find out if it's worth it for you or not. So in addition to having more than 50 million different honest reviews, Influenster also gives you the chance to potentially get free products, and they do this through what they call a voxbox. So you can get a voxbox, or it's a box of free products. It can be some really great products from big brands. You see some examples. They mention L'Oreal and Maybelline, Pure Leaf, Hershey's. It can be all kind of things, like small samples, a box with different samples that you can get. But just because you're a member, there's no guarantee that you will get one of these vox boxes, and that's very important to be aware of. There are some things you need to do to improve your chances of getting these vox boxes. In addition to the vox boxes, also they do sometimes just have giveaways where you can win freebies for doing different activities. You see, for example, viewing a video, inviting friends, or posting photo and more. So that's another addition. That's not really the voxbox. The voxbox is more something they do more regularly when they have different products from some of their partners. But there are several things you need to do to get a chance to get one of these vox boxes. And the first thing is to download the app. As already mentioned, it is available both for iOS devices and Android devices. And you do need to do that, because if you get chosen, or if you qualify for a voxbox, then this campaign activity that you need to do will need to be done inside the app. And then of course you need to in general sign up for it and fill out your profile as we just explained, and fill out these snaps that are regularly added there. And also you need to connect your social media accounts, and you can do this during the sign up process. You can choose to connect, for example, your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Pinterest. You can also do this in your profile after you have joined. And you see, according to Influencer itself, this is the most important part. So you need to make sure to connect your Instagram and other social media accounts accounts, because then there's a bigger chance that you will get it. And in many cases, you should probably also expect that if you have a big following, a lot of friends and a lot of followers on your social media, there is a bigger chance that you will get chosen, because then you can spread the word about the different products, which is a part of why they want to give out free products. And then of course, as I already mentioned, also fill out everything that includes your reviewer profile. But then there's nothing else to do than just to wait, and then sometimes you might be chosen, but it's not a guarantee way to get it. It depends a little bit on luck, but mostly also how active you are on social media, how big a following do you have. So it's definitely not an easy way for all. There are some options, some product testing sites where you can sign up without having to connect all this, and where there's a lot bigger chance of getting it. I also have a video about different ways to get free samples. I will leave a link in the top corner so you can check out that video for other ideas about how to get free products. So overall, Influenster is a legit platform, but I would say if you're looking mainly for free stuff, then this is not the right option. You need to see it as beneficial to just get access to all these reviews and potentially also participate yourself. And then maybe at some point you will qualify for one of the voxboxes or get one of the giveaways, and then it can definitely be some nice extra products. But if you are just looking for free stuff, then this is not an effective way. There's no guarantee you will ever get anything, and that's important to know, so you do it with the right expectations. If you are looking for free stuff online and you want to just do it by doing small tasks or so, then there are many different tasks you can do online to earn free gift cards and free stuff. I will leave links below so you can find more information about some of my top recommended options for this. Influencers is more interesting if you think the whole product reviews side of it is interesting, and then the chance to get voxboxes is an extra added benefit, but not the main reason you should join it, in my opinion. And I hope this video helped you figure out if Influencer is for you or not. And if it did help you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I see a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.